Hi, my name is Marie Sullick. I'm the branch manager of the Poe Library on Sullivan's Island, and today in our origami series I'm going to teach you how to make this cute little penguin. I'm using origami paper that is printed on one side and solid color on the back, and both sides are going to show. So typically you'd make this with black and white, but well, let's have some fun today. Fold your square in half on the triangle, and then you reverse the triangle so the underside is showing, and then you fold each side over, but not all the way over. Flip it over and fold it the same amount, so you're lining it up with the fold you already made. Next, we fold the top over to crease where we're going to make the head, and we open it up and we reverse this fold like that so the head ends up on the outside. The next step is to fold the wing back. So we fold it back, and forward again. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I fold it back and forward again. And now I fold my belly, so this is lined up, and then I fold the bottom up. Now I'm going to open up those folds and I'm going to tuck them inside. First the belly fold goes inside, and then these two halves tuck under, and you have a penguin. If you want, you can zigzag the beak and then tuck that in.